today's video. Best air purifier and humidifier combo.
There are a lot of products on the market, and without decent research, one can mistakenly go for the wrong product. That's why we've taken a look at the products available and used a comprehensive rating system to help you choose the right product. When we compared the products, we took into account the price, quality, durability, performance, and more. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. So, let's get started.
Best air purifier and humidifier combo.
Starting off our list at number 5.
The HumidiPure Triple Action Humidifier by Winix harnesses the natural cleaning power of water and an innovative HEPA carbon combination filter to simultaneously humidify and purify the air in your home. HumidiPure provides around-the-clock protection from a wide range of air pollutants, including dust, pollen, pet dander, bacteria, and mold spores. With 3 modes of operation, adjustable timer settings, and an intuitive control panel, the HumidiPure Airwasher is easy to operate, and when in auto mode, automatically adjusts itself to regulate the air quality in your home. HumidiPure also humidifies while it rids your home of airborne respiratory irritants. First, HumidiPure draws polluted air through the HEPA carbon combination filter, removing dander, pet allergens, lint, and other airborne pollutants, while also reducing household odors. Next, air passes through the Clean Cell antimicrobial discs, collecting airborne pollutants and rinsing them through water, dropping the heavier particles in the slide-out water tank. As these dishwasher-safe discs spin, the water is broken into fine droplets that are directed by airflow to the final stage of air purification. Finally, built-in plasma wave technology by Winix safely breaks apart other contaminants, such as chemical vapors, on a molecular level to deliver superior air purification and healthy humidification. The HumidiPure Triple Action Humidifier is uniquely designed for the modern home, containing some of the most innovative features for ultra-quiet operation. The HumidiPure Triple Action Humidifier by Winix. Take control of your indoor air quality.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product.
True HEPA filtration is great for removing allergens such as dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke from the air. We are filling this chamber with smoke while the air purifier is off. This real-time demo shows how effectively smoke can be removed from the air. Smoke is a great example because it's easily seen, and smoke particles are similar in size to other common allergens. Look how quickly it works! Imagine how well true HEPA filtration will remove allergens and dust from the air in your home.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2 in the list. These are our ratings for this product. At number 1.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a VENTA air washer. An air washer corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your air washer is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. VENTA air washers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an air washer lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. VENTA air washer, the original patented by VENTA in 1982.
And these are our ratings for this product.
best air purifier and humidifier combo.
Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.